Welcome to the car wash, where we're prepping another vehicle for a rapid roadside review. We, as in me, because I'm pretty much a one-man show. I decided to take this moment to say thank you. Thank you very much for watching the videos, liking, subscribing, and leaving comments in the section below. Without this kind of feedback, I wouldn't know any value to this channel. And until I get monetized, whenever that is. Oh, here comes the loud part. Ooh, yee. Blow the foam away. Yeah. Because right now I'm not monetized, as you can tell by my subscriber count at this juncture in time. Everything's out of my pocket. This is a hobby. This is fun for me. Sometimes it feels like it's a chore, but it's still fun for me. Thanks to all the people that have loaned me cars, let me film them talking about their cars. And just making the time to have a conversation with me that's never filmed. Broadening my knowledge base on vehicles that I don't know about, which is quite a few. But most of all, thank you. Thank you for finding the time to watch this and everything else on this channel. Finding the time to like, comment, subscribe. Leaving both positive and negative feedback for me to grow on. Until next time, take care.